Hello friends, today we will know the trick how to write 14 times table without learning. So let's start. 14 times table is this. For this we have to first write 4 times table. This is our 4 times table. So let's start with the trick. What is the actually trick how we can write 14 times table in few seconds without learning? We have to do that first. I will write 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and we will do addition. What we will add 1 from 4? No, only left side. This 1 and 0, 2 and 0, 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5 and 2. In this way we will completely add this. So let's start. We will write, and we will write right side as it is. So 1 and 0 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and right side is 4, we will write 4, 2 plus 0, 2, and right side is 8, 3 plus 1, 6, and 2, you can see, 3 plus 2 is 4, and 2, now you can see you are getting 14 times table. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 6, 5 plus 2 is 7 and a 0, 6 plus 2 is 8 and 4, 7 plus 2 is 9 and 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 and 2, 9 plus 3 is 12, and right side is 6, 10 plus 2 is 14, and right side is 0. We written right side as it is and added left side from 1 to 10. This is the only trick from where you get the 14 times table in few seconds, and now you don't there is no need to remember 14 times table. You can write any number. If you want 14 into 7, then you can write 4 into 7 is 28, and you can only add this. Now this is 14 into 7. I think this video will help you. Please do subscribe and press the like button if you like the video, and don't forget to press the bell button for notification update. Have a nice day.